Welcome to Practice Easy English.
Phrasal verbs, conflict and arguments. Lash out at. Meaning, to suddenly speak or act angrily. He lashed out at his colleague during the meeting. Don't lash out just because you're frustrated. Back down. Meaning, to withdraw a claim or argument, often to avoid conflict. She finally backed down and admitted she was wrong. He refuses to back down even when he's clearly mistaken. Speak out against. Meaning, to express an opinion publicly and firmly. She spoke out against the unfair decision. Don't be afraid to speak out if something bothers you. Butt in. Meaning, to interrupt or interfere in a conversation. Please don't butt in while I'm talking. He always butts in with his opinions. Walk out. Meaning, to leave suddenly, often as a form of protest or anger. He walked out on the discussion when it got heated. The employees walked out over poor working conditions. Blow up. Meaning, to lose one's temper suddenly. He blew up when he found out the truth. She tends to blow up over small things. Fall out with. Meaning, to have a disagreement that damages a relationship. I fell out with my best friend last year. They fell out over money issues. Tell off. Meaning, to scold or criticize someone angrily. The teacher told him off for being late. She told her brother off for making a mess. Storm off. Meaning, to leave a place angrily and quickly. She stormed off after the argument. He slammed the door and stormed off. Drag into. Meaning, to involve someone unwillingly in a conflict or issue. Don't drag me into your personal drama. He was dragged into the argument even though he said nothing. Cut in. Meaning, to interrupt someone while they're speaking. He cut in before I could finish my sentence. Stop cutting in when others are talking. Hit back. Meaning, to retaliate or respond angrily. She hit back at the critics during the interview. He hit back with a sarcastic comment. Go off on. Meaning, to suddenly start shouting or criticizing someone. My boss went off on me for being late. She just went off on her roommate over the dishes. Call out. Meaning, to publicly criticize someone for something. He called out his coworker for lying. She got called out on social media for being rude. Get to. Meaning, to annoy or upset someone. Ignore him, he's just trying to get to you. The negative comments really got to her. Shoot down. Meaning, to strongly reject or dismiss an idea or opinion, often quickly or without much consideration. They shot down my suggestion immediately. Don't shoot down his idea without listening first. Push around. Meaning, to bully, dominate, or treat someone unfairly by being bossy or forceful. He's tired of being pushed around by his manager. You can't just push people around to get your way. Snap at. Meaning, to speak angrily or abruptly to someone, usually because of stress or irritation. Sorry I snapped at you, I was stressed. She snapped at her brother over a small issue. Face off with. Meaning, to confront someone directly, often in a tense or competitive situation. The two candidates faced off during the debate. He faced off with his rival in a heated argument. Talk down to. Meaning, to speak in a condescending way, as if the other person is less intelligent or important. Don't talk down to me, I'm not a child. He always talks down to people when he's annoyed.